Next this morning, everybody, keeping classrooms clean is more important than ever this school year, right? I mean, custodians, they're working so hard to ensure campuses are safe spaces for our students. And Ryan Blackshear-Vargas shadowed one custodian whose cleaning equipment might resemble something you may have seen on TV before. Ryan.
Melvin, this is one of my favorite sights. Kids walking into school on a happy Friday. Look at them right behind me. They got all their masks on, heading into school. Their parents sitting them off for what they hope will be another safe day here at Baldwin Stalker Elementary School. Of course, a lot of that, keeping them safe in the classroom, goes to all the hard work that the custodians do to make sure that the students and staff are safe.
To keep the classroom clean from COVID-19. Who you gonna call? Umberto.
They tell me all the time.
That what?
That I look like a Ghostbuster.
Okay, there may not be ghosts in this kindergarten classroom, but an airborne virus has been haunting us all. So Umberto is cleaning with this green solution for the first time this school year. It's a peroxide multi-surface cleaner and disinfectant approved by the EPA. It's been proven to kill COVID-19 in 30 seconds. He's cleaned classrooms for 29 years, but his work has never been more important.
You gotta keep the kids safe.
So he's wiping down door handles, spraying seats, and cleaning desks so students like Emmett and Chloe can feel safe while learning. Keeping classrooms clean isn't just an inside job. Gabriel Santos manages facilities at all of the Arcadia Unified Schools. His team has been opening vents and replacing air filters that expire every 3 months. Keeping the air clean inside the classroom is all part of keeping kids safe.
The COVID's out there, and so we want to ensure the safety of all of our staff and students now that we're back in school, and so we implemented this regimen into our daily procedures, and it's just important to keep our staff and students safe.
Umberto has the students in mind as he sprays the classroom. His grandkids go to school and will sit in seats just like these. He also refills the hand sanitizer station so it's ready for little hands the next day. He'll repeat this cleaning in dozens of classrooms.
About 23, 24.
To bust away any trace of the virus.
What a guy. Thank you so much, Ryan. The disinfectant solution Umberto uses in the classrooms is made by Ecolab. And like Ryan said, the spray kills COVID-19 in under 30 seconds. It's also been approved by the Environmental Protection Agency. Chief.